The ICT warns against deepfake, especially now that the 2025 election season is approaching. Here's the report.
Nagbigay na po ako ng go signal sa ating mga kinatawan na gawin ang nararapat gawin kung sakaling umatake ulit ang pwersa ng China. Hindi ko na po mapapayagan pa na mas maraming Pilipino ang masaktan sa laban na ito. We cannot compromise even a single individual just to protect what is rightfully belongs to us. Kung umatake ang China, atakehin din nila.
That may sound like President Bongbong Marcos giving out marching orders amid the heated tensions in the West Philippine Sea. But it's not the actual voice of the president, rather an AI-generated material called deepfake. That was posted by a YouTube account by the name Dapat Balita. The DICT says this is concerning and that they take the issue seriously.
The ICT is in coordination with our security sectors as well. We always discuss this, particularly in this particular scenario, that it involves the national security, it involves the public welfare.
The agency warns that AI can also be used to manipulate voters ahead of the 2025 polls.
Kailangan kasama doon sa ika-craft nila legislation, and hopefully soon, yung kasama yung electoral fraud. Kasi nakikita na natin magagamit ang AI sa pag-mamanipula or pag-susway sa ating mga botante.
Manipulated videos and audios of news personalities have also spread on social media. Victims include News 5 anchors Cheryl Cosim and Ruth Cabal.